Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to be deploying the model to my SQL Server analysis services. To begin, we have to configure the deployment properties. So click on the Solution Explorer tab here inside this area here, and then right click on the name of your model. Select properties. Under deployment, we need to specify the name of the server you're deploying to. We also need to specify the database and the name of the model. So the name of the model is called Internet Sales. So I'm going to copy that and then enter that in the model area. So that's the name of the model. The database is going to be the AdventureWorks DW 2019. So I'm going to enter that in here. I've now configured my deployment settings. I've got my server, I've got the database, I've got the name of the model. I'm going to click OK. The next step is to build the project. So click on the name of your model, right click and select build. And that will build the project. We'll wait for it to build. When the build has completed, we will then deploy the model. The project has been built, so next let's deploy. So click on the name of the model, right click and select deploy, and that should deploy the model. So we wait for it to complete. When the deployment is finished, you get the success message and you get the details about the work item that has been deployed and then the status. You can click on the close button and then log on to the analysis services to see what was deployed. I'm going to log into my analysis services. So I click on this icon here to connect. I click on the drop down, select analysis services and then connect. I've now connected to my analysis services server. So I can expand the database folder and I should see the database that has been deployed, which is the AdventureWorks DW 2019. So if I click on the plus sign, I can see the connection and then I can take a look at the tables that were deployed. I could take a look at the roles, so that would have been deployed as well. And these are all my rows. So the model has been successfully deployed. To disconnect from the analysis server, just click on the sign here. In this video, we successfully deployed our model to the analysis server. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.